Hope you guys are doing well. So I am today starting with the new series that is learning Python. So I had already started a basic Linux command series earlier and I'm going on with that. So you guys can also check it out if you are new to this channel. So I will be posting these Python videos also. So it will be also like a series. Now without any further talking, let's get started. So before going into codes and writing codes and all that stuff, we are just going to do a little bit of theory. So basically, what is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components. Python's simple, easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages which encourages program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without charge for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. So now getting into the topic, why should we learn Python? So Python programming is powering the global job market because the benefits of Python are clear. Python is one of the top 3 programming languages in the world and is poised to become the most popular according to ZDNet. In fact, according to PYPL Index, Python is the most popular programming language worldwide. So if you want to work in a different country, you have a good chance of landing a job in say Switzerland or Australia, anywhere you would like. So adding Python to your skill set could be your ticket to anywhere. Also, Python programming is a general purpose skill used in almost all fields including data science, scientific and mathematical computing, web development, finance and trading, computer graphics, basic game development, mapping and geography, which is GIS software, and etc. A lot of fields. So I am writing the codes in VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we are going to be starting with the simplest of the code, which everyone naturally starts with the print hello world. So we are going to do that only. So we are going to be first writing the print command and then we are going to write what we want to print in within brackets and quotation marks. So we want to print hello world here, right? So now I'm going to be clicking save, which is Control S, and also remember a thing, in a Python file you always need to save by .py. If you don't save with .py, it will not work. Now I will run it. So run Python file in terminal, and as you can see, it has, just as I wanted, it has printed hello world. So we can do a little adjustments and we can maybe, here we can give something else, for example my name, which is Shreya, and it will print hello world and Shreya in consecutive lines. So now let's test this out. I'm going to be clicking Control S, and now as I wanted, it has printed hello world and Shreya consecutively. So this was the code I will show you today. So basically today we discuss the basics, like what is Python and why you should learn Python, what's the use of Python basically. And then I showed you a little code of the printing anything that you want. So now I'm going to show you a few programs I had written earlier. And so this is a program I had written. So basically what this does is that you can enter any list of numbers and it will tell you what the largest number in it is. So let's run this. And it is saying that enter the length of list. So suppose we have 5 numbers here in this case, and now I'm going to be entering 5 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now it is saying that the largest number is 5. So there is a lot of programs like this, and I'm going to be teaching you guys slowly all these programs. And like I am also learning and I'm just a beginner, so I don't know all of the things, but I'm like, I decided like if I talk about these stuff with you guys, my base is also getting stronger, and along with that you guys will be also learning something if you didn't know about it. So hope you guys like the video. If you like, please do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will be trying to post these videos on a daily basis, and like this series will be like coming out soon enough. And also, if you guys haven't watched my terminal command line series of Linux, you guys can also give that a try if you wish to. So again, hope you guys got to learn something new. Thank you for watching.